little salsa, a little pre-cut mango right there. Does that look beautiful? Does that look beautiful? Oh, yeah. Tasty too, guys. I'm gonna show you how to do this, okay? Gonna anchor the mango right here. Just gonna pare it down, right over the top. Just pare that down. Just paring that right down. Very sharp knives, guys.
Dangerous.
Just gonna cube those. Very sweet. Put that in there, okay? Next, guys, little pineapple. You know how if the pineapple's ripe or not? If you pull out one of these leaves out top, you know that thing is ripe inside. Right over the top. Is that nice? Does that look good or what, huh? Next, we got a little Thai chili pepper. Don't let the pepper control you. See, that's got a curve on it. I don't like that curve, so I'm just gonna cut it in half so I can control the pepper. Take a little paring knife here. I'm gonna get all that heat right out of the middle there. Just cut them right out. Get all those seeds. That's where the heat lies. Oh, Carrie's got the fish. She got the swordfish. What do you got there? A little swordfish steak?
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's nice and firm.
Yeah, you gotta love swordfish steak. You know why? Oh. Can you smell it? No, you can't. That means a good thing. You don't want to smell your fish. You smell your fish, not so good. That's perfect right there. Oh, those looking great. All right, now as we need, little oranges, right? Squeeze them in there. Oh, that's looking good. I'll eat that all by itself. Little red onions. Little green onions, some scallions, throw them in there. Little cilantro. Carrie, you got the steaks cut up over there. Nicely done. This one looks pretty good. Carrie, a little garlic oil on this. A little salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Keep it simple, because that fish is so awesome.
Keep it simple. I think we're good to go, Carrie. Those skewers over there, they've been soaking for about a half an hour. Key to do that, because you don't want them flaring up on you. All right? Get them nice and wet. Okay, you want to go about, let's go to a skewer, huh? Very nice. All right? Really nice and meaty. That's why they're great for the grill.
Awesome.
Got a really natural buttery flavor to it. Now, Carrie, I noticed that you've cubed these all the same size. Why is that?
Even cooking,
Hello?
and everything's going to cook at the same time.
Beautiful.
Little piece and a big piece.
No good.
No good. Chewy, tough, or underdone. One or the other.
That's why I love her. Nicely done. Now, we're going to take these over to the grill and start barbecue. Oh, yeah, we're over at the grill, about ready to do the swordfish. Now, remember, high heat here and here, nothing in the middle. High heat, 1 steamboat, 2 steamboat, 3 steamboats. We're good to go. Very nice. Okay, now we're simply going to take our skewers, put them right in the middle, put the meat, oh, just like this. Is that not beautiful? Oh, just set them in there, looking good. How easy is that? Notice we've got the skewers over the foil so they don't burn. Real simple here, just a minute aside. Oh, these look awesome. Believe it, about ready to go. Just plate them up here. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Smoking hot. Add a little Caribbean salsa to that, and we are good to go. Does this look good or what? Huh? Yeah, we'll be right back there. Oh, I'm gonna grab a little salsa. Oh, Carrie, look at that. Does that look beautiful?